Kublai pibara sasin pat tematang ngan pentip sepi yaki kam kibalaj apo ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL kalakot online application na kamentaki post field engineer haka electrical mechanical bat civil badia kini ki post jongki field supervisor haka electrical mechanical bat jongki post field supervisor haka electrical mechanical bat civil badia kini ki post kandai haka contractual basis bat kelapan mi hadu sis pa laipui teli ki post baro basakan mau kelas state ban submit yaki application lane pedang kandai hadu ka arpoi terik banai balai arajar arpusan tesape jekene ke video hadu banakut kenang bapindas nutho kambane ha kebayadai bat kini ki post bat yaki wiki jing dan kam bat lada phikwa ban tip sibun ki kam ki balaj phila ban ai kawai kerlaj bat lada phising utanat ya kene ke channel pila bat subscribe bat suppress to yau bell icon kenang bapin omdo yaki video ki ba thmai ki post ki balaj jong ki field engineer electrical mechanical ki post ki balaj ki don hadu ndru punya utuli baro batna kamanta ke electrical bat mechanical bat insan punya utuli baro ki post ki balaj bat civil sipu post ke age limit jakini ki post pat as per government criteria batna kamta ka jing seulane ka salary kedai arpo hajar haka cibenai bat ke essential qualification pat pidai pendap yaka bachelor degree hakano kano ka stream hakano kano ka university lane institute bat ka kerdan pule jongki post and field engineer electrical mechanical kisem yaki bala pendap yaka BE BTech in electrical engineering lane mechanical engineering lane electrical bat electronic engineering jongki post field engineer civil ki bala pendap yaka BE BTech in civil engineering ki post field supervisor electrical mechanical bat civil ki post balaj hadu undre pesauteli ki post electrical mechanical san pesauteli ki post civil sipu post kasnem as per government criteria ka salary kadai kat perhajar haka sibenai ka qualification part ki candidate ki dai bapendap lais nem yaka diploma hakana hak kino ki university lane institute jongki post electrical mechanical pidai bapendap yaka diploma in electrical engineering lane mechanical engineering lane electrical bat electronic engineering jongki post civil pat pidai bapendap yaka diploma in civil engineering tekum na ban apply kini ki post ki candidate ki haban submit yaki application in standard form harengkat ki self attested copies jong baro ki certificate bat artli ki dur bat pihaban lej submit hapo ka office of the director corporate affair MEECL kabadon halum jingshai shodraw road Shillong hakapor kharwi baje step hadu lai baje janmet te katarik bakadu ban pedang yaki application kandai hadu uar puai terik umats arajar arpusan tetang kini kicing pentip hak kebayadai bat kini post kublai sibon